In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Airbnb. Whether you're traveling internationally or just prefer to navigate websites in your native language, selecting the right language on Airbnb can make your booking experience much smoother. We'll walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring that everything is clear and simple to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to Airbnb's homepage by typing airbnb.com into the address bar. Give the page a moment to load. You're looking at a world of possibilities right there on your screen. Now, if you're not already logged in, it's a good idea to do so to ensure your preferences are saved for future visits. Next, we'll move our attention to the upper right corner of the Airbnb homepage. Here, you'll find what is often referred to as the menu button. This is typically represented by three horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger icon. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is your gateway to various settings, including the language options we want to access today. Once you have the menu open, scroll through the options presented to you. You'll be on the lookout for a section labeled Languages and Currency. This section is crucial because it allows you to dictate how you view the information on the website. Clicking on Languages and Currency will open a submenu where you can personalize these settings to your preference. Now let's focus on choosing your desired language. In the submenu that has appeared, you'll see a list of available languages. Airbnb supports a diverse array of languages catering to a global audience. Browse through the list and find the language most comfortable for you. When you spot it, simply click on it. You may notice the page refreshes to reflect the newly selected language almost instantly. And there you have it, a seamless transition to your preferred language. Navigating Airbnb just became that much easier. Changing the language can enhance your browsing experience significantly, especially if you're more confident using a language other than the default one. Now you can explore listings, read reviews, and make bookings with ease. Before we wrap up, here's a handy tip. If you regularly switch between languages, you can follow these steps whenever needed. Travel plans change, and with Airbnb, altering your setting is always just a few clicks away. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your next Airbnb experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy traveling.